So we'll now move to third chapter, and in third chapter we are going to talk about what are the process involved in this entire counseling business. Okay, so we'll move one by one. So the first step is registration. You will have to log into the JOSAA portal. The website is this one, it is mentioned here. Okay, and then you have to enter the portal using your JEE main details. Remember, even if you have written JEE advanced and you have qualified it, the login to the portal will happen using your JEE main details. Okay, JEE main credentials. Keep in mind that is the first step. The second step is to fill your choice list. Of course, that's a very complicated step, a very important step. I highlighted it in the chapter 2 also when I mentioned the cautions. This should be perfect, guys. According to you, this should be perfect. A simple rule to keep in mind that how long your list should be is that, if your rank is suppose 1800, then you are filling enough choices so that the total count of seats crosses 1800. That will 100% guarantee you a seat in round 1 itself. Okay, and when I say it should cross 1800, I mean that you can include IIT Bombay CS also in your list. Okay, so basically what you would want first, IIT Bombay CS, mention it. Even if you are not getting it, like this, you prepare your list. When the total count of seat of all the choices you have filled, it crosses your rank, then it means you are now guaranteed a seat in round 1 itself. Okay, so that is one. When you are filling the choice, do not lock your choice in the first instant, guys. Do not lock your choice. Okay, you have to lock it before the deadline. That is something that you have to do. In case if you don't do it, then it will automatically logged at the deadline. Whatever is the list at that moment, at the deadline, whatever you have filled, okay, that will be captured by the system and that will be considered your final decision. So lock it before that. Don't wait for that, guys. Okay, and wait for those mock rounds to happen to see what you are getting. They will enable you to do some changes also if you want to do them. So don't lock before you see the results of the mock rounds. Okay, then when the actual seat allotment round happen, there will be multiple rounds which will happen. Every time it happens, you have to check your results. After checking the results, you have to then download the allotment letter. I'm pretty sure that you would want to continue in the counseling, so you have to pay the seat acceptance fees. That is approximately 35,000 for general candidates. Okay, and then you have to select the option of freeze, float, or slide. What is the difference between these three options? Freeze means that whatever you have got in round 1, you are happy with it and you don't want it to change, neither the college nor the branch. Float means that you are ready to accept anything that was higher in your choice list if you get the opportunity, which includes the possibility of change of college as well as the change of branch. Slide means that whatever you have got, now you have made up your mind that I want to be in the same college, but I'm okay with the change of branch. So in your choice list, remember, it will always happen according to your choice list. In your choice list, if there are choices which are higher than what you got and which belong to the same college that you got, in case if there is a vacancy in those things and you are eligible, your rank is good enough to fill those spots, then you will be given that. So slide means your college will not change, your branch may still change depending upon whether there are other choices from the same college in your choice list above what you got. Float means that you can get anything from your list, from your choice list above what you got. Okay, if there is a vacancy, which includes the change of college as well as a change of branch. Freeze means nothing is going to change. Whatever you have got, you are happy with it and you don't want the uncertainty anymore. You just want it to remain as it is throughout all the rounds. So then you go for freeze. Okay. That is one thing. Then the next thing is that you have to then upload your documents. Verification will happen. If there are any queries that they have, like if they are not satisfied with the documents, they will of course raise queries with you. You have to answer those queries. Okay. And finally, once all the rounds are over, you will have to then do a physical reporting at the college that you've got. Okay. And in case, as I mentioned in the cautions, like there can be a dual reporting in case you move from IIT to NIT plus system in the subsequent round or vice versa. Okay. Final admission, you have to report to the institute after the final round. You have to complete all the admission process. What are the details, whatever the formalities are there, and that will finish your admission process to the college. Thank you, students.